This is how I modeled the Zonai shrine from Tears of the Kingdom. As usual, I took some in-game screenshots and then modeled it out in Nomad Sculpt. For the dragon base, I'm using a marble PLA so it looks stone-like. These guys require some supports to capture all the details, so they need a little cleanup. For the see-through sigil, I start with a clear PLA. Then I pause the print halfway through and switch to a light green filament for that two-toned effect. I modeled it with a little groove so the two parts fit together perfectly.